The overall goal of this procedure is to examine the procedure and considerations relevant to the FDA-cleared depression treatment protocol using the Neuronetics NeuroStar TMS therapy system. This is accomplished by first prepping the machine and accessing any patient-related settings and material. The second step of the procedure is to seat the patient and align the equipment with his or her particular physique. The third step of the procedure is to determine the patient's motor threshold. The final step of the procedure is to stimulate according to the FDA-approved parameters. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show a significant decrease in the discomfort and severity of several symptoms of antidepressant medication-resistant major depression through 4 to 6 weeks of treatment using the NeuroStar TMS therapy system.
The implications of this technique extend towards the therapy of antidepressant medication-resistant depression as defined by the FDA clearance of the NeuroStar TMS therapy system.
Begin preparation for the session before the patient arrives for treatment by first turning on the NeuroStar system. Then, use the touchscreen display to log in at the prompt. Also attach the SendStar treatment link to the stimulation coil and perform the automated coil test. Next, access the appropriate patient file from the available list. All patients treated using the NeuroStar system are entered into the central computer system. If this is the first session for a new patient, create a new patient file. After ensuring the patient